Hello friends, I'm Gaurav. Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about Pycharm, which is an IDE for Python. How to download the Pycharm and how to set up the Pycharm and like appearance and different settings of to be started and as a beginner with the IDE Pycharm. We're gonna practice some strings, fundamentals of programming, and the variables and data types, how to use variables and data type in Python, we're gonna learn in this video. So here we go guys, so let's begin with it. So just go to the Google and write down Pycharm and enter. So go to the download. Here on the JetBrains site, two types of PyCharms are available. One is for professional developers and one is for community for learning. So we need to download the community version for educational purposes. It be downloaded and go to the download, show in folder and double click on the file, downloaded file. So it takes a little bit of time to install on your machine. You can use this PyCharm for Windows, MacBook, and Unix and any other operating systems. Let it be open. So just click on the next. Click on the run anyway and showing my message. So next and tick all the boxes, checkbox and next and tick all the boxes over here available here by and click on the next button. And here are the types of folders in which folder you want to install this file. I want to install it in my customized folder. I can write down here my folder name. So I will write down beginner or Python program or programming. So you can create your own folder to install it. So it's gonna installing in your system. Once it installed, we will go through the setup. It's installing. It took a little bit of time to install. So finish and double click on the icon on the desktop and read this instruction tick box and go continue. This is privacy policy. If you can don't send, and it's opening your Pycharm community version. And so here we can go for configuration. I will click on the configuration and we will go through different settings. Now we will go through settings only, and these things I will teach you later videos. So as we are beginner, we will go to the settings and appearance. I will go to the theme and select the Darkula. You can select your own theme, but you can select Darkula and set your own font for programming. I am setting console and search for console, and you can set any one of it and you can set the size and just create new program. So new project is started. You can rename your project and rename your project with as you wish, and I write down hello world, and you need to select here the environment or the interpreter. So we are beginner and first time installing, so only one interpreter is available, which is the latest version of Python. We already installed in previous video. So just select it and create. So a project file is creating and it's showing tips to you. So don't show tips, and you can go through the tips also. Next tips. So many tips are available. Close it, don't show, and close. So I'm gonna teach you the simple tips and just go through it. Before it, I will teach you the console, Python console, and allow access. So Python console is open bottom here, and I write down print double quote hello world. So hello world is printed as we did in previous command prompt window in previous video. So it shows the terminal is where you are in your disk. So you can go through it. So I will go to the file, new file, and here new file, you need to configure it. You can select all the boxes, so we need some selected things here. I'm using Python and HTML, JavaScript, JSON. Okay, and here you are prepared, and you can open your first file in here. Go to the go to the Hello World, click on the new file, rename the file, or it asks for a name for your file. I write down Hello World, and I have to select which kind of file I am preparing. You can prepare any kind of file on different languages available in the Pycharm. So I selected Python and OK. If you need a statement, how to write a statement, just write down print parentheses, double quote, and whatever you want to write down. Hello world, I am a new programmer, and just say enter. How to run the file? Go to the run and select your file. Select print statement, our file name, and it run over here. So it shows below bottom here. So write down anything like my name, what is your name, or my name, and my name is Gaurav Verma. So you have to, in starting, you have to familiar with this, how to print statement in Python, or how to show this below here, and different setups. So we will go through very simple little bit things like when you are opening file, you can directly select the Python file, and you can rename your file, the file here, if and string enter. So I'm gonna write down print some statements and strings, how to write down strings and add some strings. So print, keep watching. I click on the run button. So I'm using only one file, so it is not running here. So don't panic. We need to select the file. In starting it happens, but you need to go to the run button, or from your bottom down arrow, you can also select which file you wanted to run. So I go to the run and select my file, and now it will run. Keep watching. So you can work on different files at the same time, but you need to select the files, which file you need to run. So I'm gonna teach you how to handle this similar little bit of things before starting programming or learning and go to the other videos. We will must learn about the basic setup, because it's gonna consume you a lot of time if you don't know it. Print, and let me teach you how to, it will understand. It directly understand. If you write down something in a double quote, it understands it as a string. And if you write down directly in a number, it can understand it as a number. If you write down the same number in double quote, it will treat it as a string, not as a number. So you have to take care about it. So later on we will understand it when we will do with variables and data types. So how to add? Just use plus sign and add. So can we add a string with numbers to print? No, we can't. We have to convert the numbers into the strings by using str function. So what is a string? For beginners, a string is a set of characters. So string with number plus 45, so it will print here, but if I directly write down 45 here, so it's going to show me error. So how to rectify the error? You have to convert your numbers or integers into the string by str function, and take care of the parentheses in beginning. So run this file. So you can write down over here and go through many more examples and many more things, and play with the strings and numbers. In the later video of this series, I will show you the variables and the data types. And go through the different video of this series. Please subscribe our channel, and if you like our video, please like and hit the bell icon. We need your support to provide a feedback to us so that we can rectify our mistakes and grow our channel. Thanks for watching this video.